Wanted to come out here to this point, kind of show you guys what it looks like way up there. We'll look down here towards Bagnell Dam. Okay, right now we are facing Bagnell Dam. I don't know if you'll ever see it, but I'm going to pause that just for a second. Okay, so I took a couple pictures there. You come back down here to me. I think what I need to do is adjust the how fast the joysticks move to the pressure I apply on them, because I think what's going on here is, with me being new, I'm really jerky at this, but I gotta learn, right? Fly along the road's edge here. Can't see anything on my screen. It's like my phone just ain't bright enough or something right now. Now I can see it. I got the sun out of my eyes. I'll turn around and come back to me. Hi. I still like this thing. It's really cool. I know I'm never going to learn everything it can do right now. You know, I'm still really new at this, so. But I gotta say, I like it. Just practicing. That's all I can say. All I can do. I have 19 satellites right now. That's pretty cool. I'm using the RCN3 paired with my phone on this little Neo. Let's go down my neighbor's driveway. It says I got 5 minutes of flight time left. Fly down around my neighbors. Let's see where I'm at, so I don't mess up here. There we go. Now we're coming back up to me. Whoa! Stop there, Nelly. Thing wanted to run me over, didn't it? I think it wanted to run me over. He said, hey, get a better driver. I'm trying. I'll go down here and see if I can hit that power line, maybe. No? Good. See my car? Wow! I must be like way up. I am. There's the car. Turn around and look back at me. I can inspect my neighbor's roof. Fly over the top of it. Ooh, go up. Fly over my roof.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Return to home.
Saying return to home.
Low battery. Return to home.
Must be saying the battery's getting, yep, it's only got 3 minutes left. So we'll stop this video and then I'll throw in another battery.